Hi friends, how are you doing today? This is Mabel from Savvy Apparel Studio, and today I'll be talking about technical design. And as you know, we provide technical design, pattern making, sample making, and the tech bag, all right, to prepare you to produce your styles. But today I'll be talking exclusively concentrating on the technical design, and I'm gonna share my screen right now to show you what I mean with that. All right, so when our clients come to us, they usually provide either a illustration, just the basic illustration done by them, one like this that you're seeing right now. This one specifically is a V-neck, very simple t-shirt with short sleeves and has an athletic fit. So sometimes clients also provide a physical sample of something that they like, that they want to tweak, that they want to make it more special for them. Or they provide pictures, from the internet, something that they like, or etc. Okay, so in this case, I'm showing you this example of something that they provide. All right, just a simple drawing like this. From that, I create this, which is a technical cat design, a flat drawing that has all the stitching information, and that the silhouette is what the client has asked and what I am pretty much understanding of what the clients needs, right? Because they're saying athletic fit, so then I provide that athletic fit. This isn't a square shirt, as you can see, right? It has fitted sleeves and is not fitted, but it has an athletic fit at the bottom, which is not like a wide shirt, okay, at the bottom. So that's what I provide, and then from this point, I create this, which is a construction sheet that has all of the type of machines and operations that the factory needs to follow to be able to produce the garment. Now, this information is really crucial as well, because the type of stitching that shows over here is the type of allowance, seam allowance, for example, that we take as the information to be able to add it to the pattern, all right, to have the right seam allowances on the pattern. So that information is very, very crucial. Now, from this point, I create this sheet, which is a how to measure guide from where to where the measurements that I'm giving, the points of measure that I'm giving the in this sheet are taken from and to. Okay, so just to give you an example, the total body length is taken right here from HPS, which is the high point of shoulder point, that it's up here. Then I indicate where that is located. From that point to the bottom edge is where this total body length is taken. So I'm creating this measurement right here. Number 8 is what I'm calling the number 8, right? Is a from body length from HPS. Now, each one of these measurements, in this case 13, are added to an spec sheet, which is also what we create within the technical design step. So in this case, I'm creating the size medium. And for example, let's go to number 8. It says body length from HVS to hem. Then in that case, this shirt is 28 inches. All right. And from this point, then I create the gradings. So all of the measurements, that an spec sheet has. In this case, this particular sizes. And from this point, then I create the sample, all right, with all of this the pattern, with all of the specifications that I have created in the tech pack. All right, if I don't, in the technical design, if I don't have this information, if I don't have a drawing, a simple, correct drawing, right, that I need, it's gonna be very difficult for me to create a construction of what is needed, because right here I'm designing, all of the technical stitches. So, and to be able to add the construction information, I need the right stitches in the drawing to be able to create and add all the specifications. Then from that point, like I said, I create this sheet, which is the how to measure sheet. Without the how to measure sheet, it's impossible to create an spec sheet. And without the specification of the medium size, for example, it's going to be impossible to create the pattern, that base pattern that is so important. And from that point, of course, once I have all of the measurements set, I create, the grading sheet and the gradings of the patterns of the other sizes. So this is why this part of the process, which is the technical design, it is so important. Like I said, so important for all the steps that are needed to be able to have when we go to the factory and provide the information to create the styles. So just to say it one more time, this technical part of the process is crucial. If you don't have this part of the process, you won't have the pattern that you need. The pattern, it's not going to look like you actually need it. This is why it is important to take time in this step, the technical design, okay, where we develop all of these sheets with all of this information. All right, if you don't have the right pattern, of course your sample is not gonna be right. And sometimes it gets misunderstood when a factory produces a style that it's not correct. We have to come and see, what's in the technical design or what's in, in this part of the process, because this part of the process dictates your outcome and how successful your style is going to turn out in production and at the when you're ready to when you're producing already at the factory level. Okay, so hopefully this information is clear for you. I hope to have answered some questions and doubts about the process, and let us know if we can help you on anything and help those ideas become a reality. We're here to help you. Just connect with us via social media, YouTube or Instagram, and just let us know if we can help you. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.